Hi, sweeties. Welcome back to Big Guy Craft Time with your host, yours truly, Craft Guy Peter again. I personally am even starting to wonder if this is just a reoccurring. What's the word? What is the word? Oh my God, I actually am stupid. Reoccurring segment. Oh my God. Hi, sweeties. Welcome back to Big Guy Craft Guy Peter again. I, for one, am even starting to wonder if this is a reoccurring segment or just is my last name just again? Is it Craft Guy Peter again? Is that my family's name? Also, where are you? Where are you, sweeties? Follow the sound of my voice. My glasses are dirty. Craft Guy Pete, boy, where you been? They took my eyes. The crafters. They took my eyes, dude. I'm still recovering. Probably will be for. I can't follow the sound of me. I'm back, baby. Today we're going to be taking a little look-see, no pun intended. I don't have any eyes, these are fake. A little look-see at this here 5-minute crafts masterpiece, 33 crazy useful everyday hacks. Are you trying to hack your day? Of course you are. Don't even tell me a fib. Don't even freaking try to tell me a fib that you're not trying to hack your day. Who's not? You'd have to be a crazy man to freaking not want your day hacked. Most of these hacks seem to be about being lazy and just different ways to be lazy. It's not really, I can't say I'm that surprised, but what? I'm so surprised! Do you hate doing stuff and being in charge of doing things and having to do stuff and things? Do you hate handling your business and wish there was a way to hack your way out of it? Because there is, here we go. And all in 5 minutes, baby. Things that every lazy person should know. Dude, why even take your clothes off in the shower when you could keep them on like a cool guy, like some kind of cool guy? Oh, good morning. Back up, cameraman. I tricked you. I was in the shower all along, you idiot. Anyways, time to take a shower. It's so cold. I do this every morning. I guess we could say this works. The haters will call it lazy. I say innovation. Tell me if this is lol totes me, and by me I mean you. Sometimes Craft Guy Peter gotta talk to the ladies, and the most common way is not face-to-face because I can usually not find them. Once I get this eye transplant, dude. Anyways, I'll be talking on the phone much like this, just like this, really, until... Oh, my arm is so fatigued. Oh, dude, it's heavy, dude. How do you freaking... Dude, this here cell phone device it must weigh at least 8 pounds or so. How do people... Why did Apple make it like this? Who asked for it? It's so heavy. Fear not, idiot. I know just the thing. You know, some people might go the simple way and use your girlfriend's pig-eared thing. I'm pretty sure this object just exists for holding a phone to your face. I think you go somewhat like... Loop-de-loop and pull. And your shoes are making you drool on your phone. I'm sure there's a hack to get rid of that. I think my shoes are looking cool. I think you just tuck it in like it's a little baby boy. Little baby boy. Like a little... Okay, no, we got this, bro. You smarter than the phone. You gotta be smarter than the smartphone. To be fair, it does have smart in the name, and I don't. I'm not Smart Guy Peter. All right, it kind of works, and now I can woo ladies at my leisure and hands free, baby, to hold the tape. I got me roll. I got me cold. Call. What else does a man need? Oh, what else does a man... We can FaceTime. Maybe it works better like that. It actually does work much better like that. Can we FaceTime, baby? What else does a man need? I got more rolls where this came from. This actually won't come. I think it actually does work. Okay, one thing I do not understand though. Why you would use the freaking headband while you hold the tape. You could just as easily, if not even easier, just use the tape like a real man. This hack speaks to my brand, and I've done this many enough times to where that I know not to put it in your hair. This one works too. Better even. They also got like this rating scale for like how many out of 5 stars, how lazy this hack makes you seem. So I guess keep that in mind later. It's gonna be important. How many times have you found yourself suffering from severe narcolepsy while driving a motorized vehicle? I'm just so sleepy and I'm tired of my neck bouncing and making me wake up and also making people around me upset at me or laugh at me really only. They're just laughing at me and I'm sick of it, dude. As someone who fell asleep a lot in high school and did the head bobbing thing an awful lot, it was awful and it was also a lot. This one's personal to me. We're gonna fix this wagon if you know what I'm saying. No. No, I'm so upset. Can't I just enjoy my narcolepsy and free will to drive on the road in peace? I don't have eyes, have I mentioned? Oh, I know just the, hold on, I gotta freaking get my snacks out here first. All right, now I'll teach you who's in charge here, mister. This is me versus me, baby. Oh my God, and I'm gonna win. This'll do, I think. I can't see, not only because of my lack of eyes and making this whole entire process redundant. However, where's the camera? I don't know. Come towards me. Here I am, and then here we are back. Does that look good? Does it look? Are we ready to? Let me see if I can fall asleep. Wow, I guess we could say it works. Now I am ready to drive. Another day, another DIY, you know what I'm saying? Oh, come on, dude, not me sugar flakes. Anything but me sugar flakes. Dude, freaking life hack though. Freaking, you could hack this. Dude, this is a perfect opportunity for a good hack. A good hack, which I never pass up. Instead of picking up the sugar flakes, you could just kick them under the fridge, dude. Life hacked. We like to party. Dancing with my oh no! Oh, me sugar oh no! Oh no! Oh no! The fridge is way over. How am I even supposed? Oh, no, I'm making more chips, no! Oh, come on! I can do better. Oh, come on! Do I get the job? Do I get the job being the 5-minute crafts girl? I can definitely agree with the 5-star laziness rating on this freaking hack right here, boys. However, it could be 2 hacks in one if you're trying to get, like, pet bugs or, like, pet rats or, like, some kind of pet animals. And home improvement. What a joy I'm having, enjoying a nice tasty treat with this film. Oh no, my chronic arm fatigue strikes again! If only there was some way that I could continue eating this salty treat without holding up this heavy bag. Ah, it hurts! Dude, my muscles are made of pudding. I cannot do this anymore. Luckily for me, not only am I a genius, but I also own a hoodie that I wore just for this movie, just so that I could be a disgusting, lazy cretin in public. Remember those ladies I was talking to earlier? I lied. Cannot wait to chow down, baby. I think that's all my chips. Why even wait till you get to the movies to put the snacks? Just walk in like this. They're gonna be like, no outside food and drink. That's probably why. 5-minute crafts does think of everything. I can respect you guys. Do we even have a real broom so I can clean this up, dude? We've got this decorative one. We've got this one that looks like and is a pen. Go on now, get in the trash. Come on, buddy. Don't make me tell you again. Go on, get. My neighbor saw me walk by with a backwards sweater and chips inside. I actually just can't stop eating these now. They're just so readily available in my trousers, in my hoodie, not my trousers. All right, now I'm gonna ask you something personal. Be honest. You guys ever just get bored waiting for tea? You ever just get a little, bored, a little impatient, waiting for tea? Come on, we've all done. I don't want to sit here and wait for the tea, sis. I just want to know what the tea is, sis. You know what I'm sissing? How do you open it? Happiness is actually an art of living, which is in us. Beautiful. No, take your time, please. It was good. It's good. It's good. Then this mother hecker whips out a drill and freaking makes this weird MacGyver-looking contraption to dunk the tea for her so she doesn't have to dip it her own self, and they still did my dude dirty with the freaking 5-star laziness rating. I mean, it's freaking stupid, but I feel like it's a little dishonest to call this lazy. I mean, that's quite a lot of effort to just not do it the conventional way, Dottie, and I thought that's what 5-minute craft was all about. Anyways, I'm not gonna do the drill thing because this is the only drill I have, and I have no idea how it works, dude. I just oh, dude, That awkward moment when drank too far. This is a fate worse than death, dude. I still got it though, just like she did in the, yeah, I still got it, but I have a problem still. That must be solved. I cannot go through this again. Don't you worry about a thing, cause I'm never going to have to reach for my drink again. Just gonna wrap this. I don't even, how do you do it? What is this? What is this? A little flimsier than theirs. Maybe I could try that again. Good, we're good, we're good. I'm having a good time. Nice and tight and taut, just like Paul. Piece de resistance. Hey, Lamau. Do a little twirl. Oh, not a single drop spilled, Papa. Not a single drop. I find that impressive. I mean, I know that wasn't the goal. Dirty as a rook. Really is freaking pretty sturdy, honestly.
Do you want to be probed?
Good morning.
Daddy always said.
I am so tired. Good morning. Just another day. Just Ninja. What? Just another just another day. Just another. Oh, so fresh. I got it on the floor, dude.
Yo, that's wild.
I'm just kidding. I wasn't surprised. I do this every morning, like I said. This is why I wear 2 shirts to bed, so I could clear. So fresh, so fresh. So fresh. So fresh. So fresh. By golly, I have so many wet shirts now. What is that? What am I to do about all these wet shirts? At least now I don't have to iron them. Am I right, fellas? I got the fan. Oh yeah, listen to that kitty purr. This will be de-wrinkled and dry in no time. In no time. Whenever I get ready to go outside, I put on my coat, I put on my other coat, and then I freaking remember, oh no, shoelaces. Oh no, shoelaces, dude. What am I supposed to do about all these shoelaces? They have me in such a kerfuffle. Oh no, shoelaces, dude. It's my favorite sentence I've read today. Who can relate? I think what they're going for is you don't want to walk on the carpet with your shoes, but you're also too lazy to take them off, so you put a bag on them. I guess it makes sense. I was very confused. I had to watch this a few times to understand what the heck was going on. Got me bowling shoes. I've got me trash bags because I don't have any grocery bags. Let's do this, baby. I'm bowling for crap. Wait, what the? A Challenger. Oh, what the? What kind of shoe makes that sound? I got me kicks. I got me bags. Oh, this is scary, dude. What if it doesn't work, man? What if it just does? What if it doesn't? I'm so nervous, dude. This one really could go either way. I don't know. I don't know what to expect. Doughty. So far, so good. We're halfway there. I won't get cocky, though, because I know that this could still go either way. Slow and steady. Steady. Eddie. And now, we walk. Okay. All right. So far, so good, dude. It's working. I think it's working, fellas. I'll never dirty this carpet. Oh no, my carpet. My carpet is filthy. Oh no. You can't win them all, boys, but we tried. I mean, freaking science, it can't solve everything, you know. This one doesn't work.
What was it supposed to do?
Keep my feet from stepping on the carpet. Who do they think they're fooling over at that company?
Why wouldn't you just take your shoes off?
The whole thing's about being lazy.
I'm sure longer than just taking your freaking shoes off.
She's onto us. Oh no! Oh my God. Shoelaces! Oh no! Oh no! Get them off, babe! Get them off! I saved you.
What the?
Now this woman just tucks a dude into bed. After a long day of being a dumb crafter, it's always good to get a good night's sleep. But never be too lazy to take care of your loved ones, dude. I'm really glad that this freaking inane craft video had a good moral at the end, dude. I can appreciate that, and it's hilarious. If nothing else, it's hilarious. Maybe me and 5 Minute Crafts are so different after all. Maybe we're both just trying to instill positivity into this world, one DIY project at a time. I hope you learned something. I hope you tucked in your dad. You tell him goodnight for me. Give him a kiss for me. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want. If you want more DIYs, tips, and tricks on how to turn your world upside into a girl, upside down into a girl. See, I'm always thinking, why do one when you could do both? Crafts are weird. Bye bye. I love you. I'll leave you alone.